Hi, I'm NikiHiggins with Luxury by the Beach at Douglas Elliman, and I am going to show you apartment 24E at the Palms Tower 2 condo. This magnificent condo is located at the Palms condominium. We have chair and towel service on the beach every day with umbrellas and water. We have 24-hour day valet parking and self-parking for residents, a tennis court, 2 swimming pools, a magnificent gym with all new equipment, including 2 Pelotons, somebody at the front gate 24 hours a day, and somebody at the front desk 24 hours a day. So this is just the best in resort living. And now we're going to go back inside. Here you can see the expansiveness of this beautiful great room and the wide open spaces that you just don't find in most condos. You can even see all the way down to Miami Beach from the den dining breakfast area off the kitchen. The kitchen opens up onto the space, and it's beautifully equipped with a sub-zero refrigerator, cooktop, oven, micro convection oven, dishwasher, double sinks, and a large laundry room with big pantry storage space. And of course, an ocean view. And now we're going to go and see the guest bedrooms. The first guest bedroom is set up as a den, office, and also has beautiful views of the Intracoastal Waterway and downtown Fort Lauderdale. It's a wonderful big room. And now I'm going to show you the guest bathroom. And we're going to go into the guest suite. And this room also has beautiful views of the Intracoastal and downtown Fort Lauderdale, with its own bathroom that also has a view of downtown Fort Lauderdale. And a nice sized walk-in closet. And now we're going into the beautiful, expansive primary suite. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous views. And I'm going to take you out onto the terrace. This is a beautiful terrace. Look at those views. The sun is just starting to set. also see the ocean. So special. Let's go back inside. And this is the primary bedroom that we were looking at before. And when you're here alone, you can see all the way through to the ocean. So special, so pretty, and has a big walk-in closet, and a superb bathroom with double sinks, a big jacuzzi tub, a walk-in shower, and a view of the sunset and the water closet, from the water closet. Wow. Thank you for touring Residence 24E at the Palms Tower 2 with me. I'm NikiHiggins with Luxury by the Beach. And if you'd like to come see this beautiful condo, please call or PM me at 954-817-2500. Thank you for touring this magnificent condo at the Palms Tower 2. I'm NikiHiggins with Luxury by the Beach at Douglas Elliman. Please call or PM me if you'd like more information about this lovely, lovely condominium right here on Fort Lauderdale Beach.